Hello, today I talk about Schneider Unity Pro XL Communication GE SCADA software iFIX. First, I start programming the Unity Pro XL. Okay, to light. Then we can try first build. Then connection, transfer to PLC. Is too light, on off. Turn it on off. Yeah, too light. It's okay. Now we start OFS. Open OFS configuration tools. Okay, we start a new one. iFIX test. Okay. Delete the old one. So here use 127 0 0 1. Okay. So after we save, then start again. Okay, here is rolling. Now we test is open OFS client. We choose Schneider of 4. Here, line 1 and 2 start button and what's that? ET. Yeah, it's working. Look here. Here is rolling. Okay. Here. Look, here is rolling. That's it. Okay. Now we connection. We stop. Okay. Now we close here. Now we open iFIX. Okay, start iFIX. Here's iFIX is the interface. First, we go to database manager, double click here. Okay, we create add, go to DI. Okay, here is digit input. All of this way, just the input. Okay, here is light, is all the input is for the iFIX. Okay, go to here, we choose OPC client, double IO configuration. Yeah, so hit open. We add OPC servers. Next, here we choose Schneider OFS 2. Okay, here add a group. This is one group. Add the item. Here we use name 1. Okay, double click browse servers. Yeah, here's name. Okay, with number 2. Okay, and one more. Oh, it's time 1. Time 1. Is okay. One more. Time 2. Okay, that's it. We should mark. Here it should be an apple with a mark. An apple mark is mark. Like 1 mark. Okay, we can save and close. Go to here, M1. Save. Okay, second one. Number 2. Then go to dynamic set. We create light, palette light. we choose F start. Here FCV. Okay, check sync. Okay, everything's okay. Okay, on off. Fine. Start. Okay, now we start. Set 1. Look here, running. Okay, yeah, that's it. Today I just show you how to do configure between this Unity Pro XL and iFIX. iFIX is a very powerful SCADA software, but if your configuration communication is a little bit complex. Okay, thank you very much.